Hi, I'm Angie.
And I'm Veve.
And welcome to the Angie and Veve show. We are so glad that you all are here. We've missed your cute, adorable, handsome, beautiful little faces, and we are so glad that you've joined us again today. So we're going to be learning about a couple of things. Get a little closer. Y'all. Come on in. Come on in. We're going to be doing some Ring Around the Rosie. Have you heard of that song before?
I've heard of that song before.
Isn't it a fun song?
It's so fun.
Do you do that at your daycare, your school, your nurseries, or what have you? Fun song. And we want you to sing along with us as we go around those rosies and we hear thunder and lightning and ashes and falling down and all of that great stuff. So join us and let's ring those roses.
Ring around the rosy, a pocket full of posies. Ashes, ashes, we all fall down. The cows are in the meadow, eating buttercups. Thunder, lightning, we all jump up. Ring around the rosies, pocket full of posies. Ashes, ashes, we all fall down. The goats are in the meadow, eating buttercups. Ashes, ashes, we all jump up.
That was great. Wasn't that wonderful?
Listen, I had so much fun. We had so much fun.
Yes.
You had so much fun. Can you believe there were cows and
goats
in the
and
meadow?
thunder and lightning and eating buttercups. Oh my gosh, delicious. Have
And
ever
did you
had
guys ring around your roses when we were ringing around our roses? We saw
Yes.
you.
And if you didn't catch it the first time, watch it again and again and again and do it with a friend.
Absolutely. And now we're going to talk about our ABCs. Our ABCs. Do you know your ABCs? I know you know your ABCs. A is for
Apple,
B is for
ball,
C is for
cat,
how about D is for
dog,
E is for
elephant,
G is for
girl,
and H is for
house.
and there's so much more.
So
You guys,
many of us.
listen, come and join with us. Letters are so much fun, and it's more fun with you, and you. Let's do it. Alphabet time. A, B, C.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Tell me what you think of me.
Oh my goodness, the alphabet song.
Love the
Oh my
alphabet.
goodness, it never gets old. And there are so
Never.
many things that make up the letters of our alphabet, right? They tell us all
Mhm.
these different words, and it's how we speak and write and sing even, right?
So
With our
you-
alphabet.
Guys, practice your alphabet. Practice your A. Practice your B. Practice your C. And do all of your alphabet. Next thing you know, you're writing.
Yep, you will be. And how many things will you write? And how many songs will you write? And how many words? And all of that. And it just really helps you to just be able to talk and speak more with people as you continue to learn your alphabet.
That's it.
Yay.
And always remember, guys, you are our sunshine.
Until next time, we'll see you later. Bye.
You are my sunshine, a ray of sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. We're gonna miss you because we love you. But we'll be back to play again another day.